protest of your protest.
Greetings, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom, people of goodwill, friends of Biafrans all over the world. My name na Efe Uwanowo Omotai Biafra, Urobo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. My people get wetin just dey inch me for my belle, dey inch me for my mind. I say make I quickly talk about am small. As all of us don know recently, my people, we dey see everything wey be say e dey go on social media for this end SARS protest, end police brutality, and all of a sudden the police, the Nigerian IG suddenly come aside talk say they don disband SARS. The so-called president don come outside say they don disband SARS. Now I dey ask this question now. Okay, just yesterday here they disband SARS. Today now they don announce ISAP. From SARS to ISAP. Now, how come for this very short period of time, they disband SARS, bring another name come aside? Okay, does it mean say they don't forget this plan for ground, or they see the reaction of the youth, they see the reaction of the people, they see say e dey beyond their control, or e dey beyond their power, or they know so if this thing escalates, because we know they for burn gun and bullets. We know they say everything wey they do for that zoo called Nigeria na gun and bullets. Na they take dey solve their problem. Abi they know say if they do that their zombie character wey they do before, say if they do am this time, say the matter go escalate, and if e escalate, e go consume all of them. Now make them come quickly change, disband SARS, come bring another name, come out, ISAP come out to cover the space of SARS. They say they want reform, so they don't reform the people, they don't train them now, and they don't do everything now, name am just for one night, just one day. Those SARS wey keep people, when they say they disband, so no be people. They're not supposed to hold them accountable for the lives and the life of the people when they don't take unjustly. And they let Nigerians, the supposed Nigerians that they know, say your least problem and end SARS. Your least problem and end SARS. There are more to this. There are more things when they for that country, when they take human life, even past the way SARS they take people life. If you say may you rate the killing by SARS, then rate the killing by bandits and other terrorist groups, then when they for that country they terrorize people, you no go fit compare the rate of the deaths. You no fit compare am. The one wey terrorists don kill, e abnormal the one wey police don kill with a very large number. So as una don start this protest, so make it be say na first leg or first stage of this for battle. Now una start so. The federal government of the Nigeria states, first states, when be say na there SARS, this police force, army, all of them dey under their control for so many years. Una don complain, una don cry, una don sing, una don media don do, every individual social media they put ear for water. How una come expect say overnight una come cry this 2 minutes cry one una don cry so dem come outside say na so e be, say dem don disband SARS. Meanwhile another way of bringing another same people but rename them again. We dey tell una say Nigeria as a country na foundation, as in the problem of Nigeria na from the foundation. There is no how house go take stand or strong when be say the foundation is not dey well laid, when be say the foundation not be good foundation. And it take only sensible person, only wise and educated people about human rights, then go fit understand how the foundation of Nigeria dey laid. The foundation of Nigeria e no even give you now wey be the citizen power to do anything. For example, they create security, police security force, security force. Both the police, both the army, both everything are force. Instead of these people to dey suggestive to the citizen, now the citizen come rather dey suggestive to them. See the kind brutality every day when we dey see for the zoo called Nigeria. Every other country, police dey fear citizen, police dey respect citizen, but only in Nigeria, the so-called Nigeria, na people go dey, na citizen go dey see police go dey run, go dey see army go dey run, go dey see SARS go dey run, go dey see navy go dey run. So far as say you don dey for that security force for Nigeria, you are bound to run for them because your life dey danger for no reason. Una the so-called end SARS or disband SARS when they do, not be because say these 2 days talk una don talk. These people they get plan. They get plan. They get plan, my people. They get plan. Now for individual of una, as una don start and so now for una to start to dey bring all the bad thing wey be say dey happen for that country. Make una start to dey bring them out and make una dey give them reason why everybody must be on their own. Everybody should be on their own. Na be the only way wey things go dey alright. Na be the only way when things go dey, everybody go dey live freely, everybody go dey live happily. There will not be there not go be police brutality, army brutality, navy brutality, SARS brutality, or WhatsApp, the one with the no, only everybody to be on their own. Because the people wey dey for the head of power in nature, they are not to be power mongers, they are not to be people wey no dey see human being life valuable. If you dey dwell in a country whereby you everybody know say we these people, we are one people, we these people na my people. Now be when everybody voice as they come outside to speak in one voice, now everybody voice go dey heard. And they say some people they talk now say they don't put tribalism for kind, they don't put political difference, don't put religion difference. Everybody don't come outside to protest, to do this, to do that. It's not going to end the problem. Those differences are still there. Those people when come outside, so now they be the same people. Una know they see counter protest from the north, and now they say northern people now they're there for power. Una know they see counter news from the north, counter protest from the north. Now they see this power, but you don't see any counter protest for anywhere for the south. No, you're not there, because you are one people, one belief, live and let other live. Make we wake up and channel our energy well to end Nigeria. End Nigeria for everybody to go and rest. Make everybody go in peace. End Nigeria for us to live as human beings. End Nigeria for us to make our life better. Thank you very much, my people, my wonderful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. This our generation, na very favored one. I'm telling you, our generation is favored. If not, now so we for live, die, go, our children for suffer hell. I'm telling you, our children for suffer hell in the hands of these demons, these blood-sucking demons. Our children for suffer. More keep our finger crossed. More believe in freedom for all. More believe in live and let others live. That is all what humanity they about. Nothing more, nothing less. Live and let others live. Thank you very much, my people. I leave the talk for here until I come on my way again. My name na Efe Uwanoro Mote Biafra, Robo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. Thank you.